standard clearance requirement for installing a microwave oven over a conventional oven is typically 18 inches. This 18-inch measurement is the minimum distance required between the cooking surface of the range or oven below and the bottom of the microwave oven above. This clearance helps to ensure safe operation and prevent potential hazards related to heat and fire. Maintaining the appropriate clearance is critical for several reasons. Firstly, adequate spacing allows for proper ventilation. Ovens generate a significant amount of heat during operation. Without sufficient clearance, this heat can become trapped and potentially damage the microwave oven above. This can lead to premature failure of the microwave components and create a fire hazard. Secondly, sufficient clearance provides enough space for safe access to both appliances. Users need to be able to easily reach the oven controls, remove food from both the oven and the microwave, and perform any necessary cleaning or maintenance tasks. Crowded conditions can increase the risk of burns or other injuries. Thirdly, many building codes and appliance manufacturers specify minimum clearance requirements for microwave over oven installations. These regulations are in place to ensure safe operation and prevent potential hazards. Failing to adhere to these standards can result in code violations or invalidate warranties. When planning a microwave over oven installation, it is essential to consult the manufacturer's instructions for both the microwave and the oven. The manufacturer's documentation will provide specific clearance requirements and installation guidelines for their particular models. These instructions supersede any general recommendations. In many cases, the manufacturer may require a clearance greater than 18 inches, especially for high-powered ovens or microwaves. When installing a microwave over an oven, it is also important to consider the type of oven below. Freestanding ranges, slide-in ranges, and wall ovens may have different clearance requirements. For example, a slide-in range might have a slightly lower cooking surface than a freestanding range, which could affect the required clearance. Similarly, wall ovens may have specific installation requirements related to ventilation and heat dissipation. To ensure accurate spacing, use a measuring tape or ruler to determine the distance between the cooking surface of the oven and the intended location of the microwave's bottom. It is advisable to measure at multiple points to account for any variations in surface height. Once the required clearance has been determined, carefully position the microwave mounting bracket or shelf, ensuring that it provides the necessary support and stability. Use appropriate fasteners to secure the bracket or shelf to the wall or cabinet above. If the microwave is designed to be vented externally, ensure that the vent duct is properly connected and routed to the outside. This will help to remove heat and moisture from the cooking area and prevent condensation buildup. It is also important to consider the electrical requirements of the microwave. Ensure that the outlet is properly grounded and that the circuit breaker is of the correct amperage. Never overload the circuit by plugging in multiple high-powered appliances. Following safety precautions during installation can prevent electrical shocks or fires. Prior to using the microwave, carefully read the owner's manual and familiarize yourself with its operating instructions and safety features. Ensure that all users are aware of the proper operating procedures and any potential hazards. Routinely inspect the microwave and oven for any signs of damage or wear. Check the power cord, vent duct, and door seals for any cracks or leaks. If any problems are detected, discontinue use and consult a qualified appliance repair technician. In summary, the standard clearance for a microwave over oven installation is typically 18 inches, but it is essential to consult the manufacturer's instructions for both appliances to determine the specific requirements for the models being installed. Adhering to these clearance requirements is critical for safety, proper ventilation, and compliance with built-in codes.